High volume.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another hair review, and this one is sponsored by CurlyMe hair. So let's get right into it. In the package I have a wig cap, a pair of lashes, an adjustable strap, and hair care info, as well as the wig that we'll be working with today. This is a Burmese curly V-part wig from CurlyMe hair. This is how the curls are looking, very juicy, very scrumdiddly yum yum purr. And this is a construction. We have a total of 6 combs inside the wig for security. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is part out your hair that's gonna be out as the leave out of the wig, and then you're gonna go ahead and secure the back of your hair, install the V-part wig, and that's it, you're done. And that's what I'm gonna show you in a few, so stay tuned.
Make you sing to the mic. You are that looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like, oh. Show you everything when I get tonight, oh. True that make you utilize, oh. Yeah, when we dance, the way go revive, oh. Give you many things, we could they make you dance, oh. Yeah, it'll make you back up to the stand, mic. If his phone ring and he never call you back, you should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad, they on leave. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. Look at that love in every day. Diamond eyes and you, my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Get everything, money days. All around me, for you every day. When you go, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now. Child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now. Child. Yeah, she make it shake, bringing that bait till the bait break. Wow, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for you. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want how much, she want Amex, and I'm inclined. Face called valid, no, I never pressed it. Took a money to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Return policies, can't be mine. Nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for you. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child. Trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I Guess we could do it in French, wow. Elo main is child for now, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italia, child for now, child. Yeah, she make it shake, breaking that bay till the bay break, wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want her much, she want Amex, and I'm inclined.
And this is the finished look. Guys, you cannot tell me that this isn't my hair. It looks so good. I decided to go with a half up, half down situation and have some pieces kind of frame my face in a way, just so that I could have the ultimate blend with my hair. And this V wig, the texture is so and I honestly did not want to put water on it, but I wanted to blend my hair with it as best as possible because it is Burmese curly. And even though I have curls, my curls aren't as pretty as Burmese curls. But this is how it looks when I added water to it. And as you can see, when I ran my fingers through it, butter, it's so soft. So if you guys are interested in this unit, the link will be at the top of my description box, so you guys can go ahead and click the direct link to go and purchase yours. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below, how much you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.